In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Renko chart in TradingView. Renko charts are a popular tool among traders for their ability to filter out market noise and focus on price movements. So let's dive right in and set one up together. First, we need to head over to TradingView. Open your preferred web browser and type in tradingview.com. Once you are on the website, it will greet you with a wide variety of market charts and tools. Look around and get comfortable if you're not familiar with it. It's a comprehensive platform that offers extensive charting capabilities. Next, we're going to locate the search feature on the site. You'll find it at the top of the page, designed for exploring different financial instruments. Click on it and type in the desired market symbol or name you are interested in viewing as a Renko chart. This feature helps you easily access the data you want to analyze. After finding the market of your choice, let's proceed with launching the chart. See the Launch Chart option. Give it a click. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manipulate and interact with the chart at a much more detailed level. It's essentially your playground for market analysis. Once the chart is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar. There, you'll spot a button usually represented by a candlestick icon, often labeled Chart Type. Click on it. This button allows you to switch between different chart types and styles. TradingView offers a plethora of options, but today we are specifically interested in Renko. Now, select Renko from the drop-down menu. Clicking on Renko will immediately transform your current chart into the desired format. This format is especially beneficial for traders who aim to eliminate minor price fluctuations and look for clear, significant price movements. Let's take it one step further by adjusting some settings to suit our preferences. Click on the Settings icon in the toolbar. This opens up a variety of customization options for your Renko chart. You can change the style of the up bars, down bars, projection up bars, projection down bars, and even the wick appearance. Customizing these elements can help you better interpret the chart based on your trading strategy and preferences. Then, if you want to fine-tune the accuracy of your chart, you should explore the ATR length setting. It's a crucial component that determines the size of the bricks or boxes in a Renko chart. Adjusting it changes how sensitive the chart is to price movements. Following that, look at the source settings. You might want to set specific parameters to ensure consistency with your overall trading approach. Don't forget about precision, which affects how price data is presented on your chart. And lastly, the time zone setting, which should match your local trading hours or your typical analysis window. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Renko chart in TradingView. By tailoring these settings, you can optimize the chart for clear insights into market trends and potential trading opportunities. Happy trading!